You know, that time they're asking a question in class, and you know the answer, but you're not very sure of the answer. Then the teacher is asking, you're contemplating. Is it this one? Is it not this one? Should I raise my hand? And then somebody has an answer, and I say, hey, it's what I wanted to say. It's what I wanted to say. That's the way some of you will keep saying, hey, it's what I wanted to write. It's what I wanted to write. I knew I could write it. I knew I could do it. But did you do it? No, you did not. It's not. Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Obi Miracle, the celebrity author. And if you've not subscribed to my channel at this point, please go and subscribe. Go and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, on today's video, we are continuing on our book writing series. Last week, we were able to talk about introduction to book writing. That is getting your book idea, writing it down, creating your outline. I think that was what we talked about. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, it means that you've missed out on a part already. Please go and check for the previous video and catch up with us. Thank you. When it comes to writing a book, outline is very important because it doesn't just help you. An outline is like a map. You know, when you're going somewhere, you know where you want to go to. Assuming you want to go to Port Harcourt from Lagos. You know you're going to Port Harcourt, but then the route is, you don't know how to find your way to get to that place, but you know where you are going to. And then with the help of Google Map, you're able to trace and follow up till you get to that point. That's exactly what an outline does for you. You know where you want to get to, like, you know the main thing you want to communicate with your book, but then you don't know how it's going to be like. That's where you have your outline. Your outline can be like the table of content, but I will not call it the table of content because it can change. It's just like a rough sketch of where you want to go to. Okay, an instance, you're writing a book. The title of your book is Make Your First 100K. Make Your First 100K in 60 days. That's the title of your book. And it should be that by the end of the chapter, like whoever reads your book, by the end should have gotten basic knowledge on how to make 100K in 30 days. I think that's what I said. 30 days. So your outline could look like production, online money. That is if you want to social media. Okay. Defining your skill, defining your audience, 30 days content marketing plan. You're already breaking it down. Introduction could be chapter 1. Online money, very social media could be chapter 2. Then skill, monetization. The last chapter could be a 30 days book marketing template. So I'm very sorry, 30 days marketing template. And it should be that by the end, the person have gotten vital knowledge. Don't just say you want to tell us maybe 100K in 30 days. Just chapter 1, tell us post every day. Chapter 2, reply to comment. Chapter 3, follow up. Chapter 4, lead generation. Chapter 5, though I've seen books like that, it can actually work, but there should be a flow. Those people you're telling post, most of them don't know what to post. They don't know how to go about this posting of it. They don't know how to generate content ideas. They don't know how to even follow up lists. So it should be that you've introduced them, you've taken them through the past before giving them that your 100 days marketing template or 100K marketing template. I believe you get the point now. So that outline will guide you as you develop your plots. And the fourth thing to do is start writing. When you've developed your idea, you've written it down, you've gotten your outline, you've written it down, very important, start writing, develop the main book. Now, when it comes to writing a book now, people might have an excuse. I don't have a phone, I don't have a laptop, my phone is bad. We all have excuses, yes. But if you really want to make it work, it will work. You don't need a laptop to write a book. In fact, imagine like 20 years ago when social media and telephone has not become so paramount. People were writing books. What did they use to achieve it? Pen and paper. Pen and paper. Your phone is bad, your phone is faulty, you don't have data. Use your pen. That's where you have hands. You have paper. Write it. Like, let's stop sleeping on idea. One thing you don't know is that when you delay on writing that book for like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it will shock you to see someone else writing the same thing, like the exact same thing, the same, if care is not working, the same title, the same content. But it doesn't mean that when you write it won't be the same thing. But you know that this person is actually pivoting. This is what you wanted to talk about. That time they're asking a question in class, and you know the answer, but you're not very sure of the answer. Then the teacher is asking, you're contemplating. Is it this one? Is it not this one? Should I raise my hand? And then somebody has an answer, and I say, hey, it's what I wanted to say. It's what I wanted to say. That's the way some of you will keep saying, hey, it's what I wanted to write. It's what I wanted to write. I knew I could write it. I knew I could do it. But did you do it? No, you did not. You did not do it. So, what am I saying in essence? You are inexcusable. You are inexcusable. You are inexcusable. And now you have AI tools that can help you write. But don't go and copy verbatim. Don't just go and do copy and paste without modifying. You will not even delete that part that says please let me know if I should expatiate or modify on this. Like, you just copy everything from. Don't be like that. And if you're so busy that you cannot write, you're so busy, maybe you're a CEO, you run a 7-figure business model, you're so busy, but deep down you know you need to write this book. Hire a ghostwriter. Hire a ghostwriter. Pay for the service. And you have a book to your name. Tell them your idea. Tell them what you want. And they will do it. You basically have no excuse. So if you watch this point, I owe you one lollipop. Just tell me in the comment section. I owe you one lollipop, and I'm very serious. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to ask your questions, leave a thought, and I'll do justice to it.